Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make Thai chicken with cashew nuts. It's super easy and simple and very delicious, and I hope you guys like this and give this recipe a try. The cooking process is actually very fast, so we have to make sure that we have all our ingredients ready to go. First, let's take a look at our chicken. You can use breast. I know a lot of people say I don't like breast because it's dry, but let me show you that chicken breast is only dry when you overcook, which is why it's important that you don't cut it any thinner. And also you can use any type of meat you like. It doesn't have to be just chicken. And then we are preparing the seasoning sauce. Mix all seasoning ingredients together. First, start with the sugar, 1.5 tablespoon of sugar. I have got a half tablespoon of sesame oil. I have got 2 tablespoons light soy sauce. And 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. And then mix all the seasoning ingredients together. You might be wondering why so many types of sauce. You don't have to use all these too many types of sauce, but each sauce not only doesn't give saltiness, but it also have flavor, different flavor. So when I do a combination, then I get the best of flavor become a little more complex. And this dish is more like a Thai-Chinese fusion, but Chinese had a huge influence on Thai cuisine. So you want to mix that sauce up really well and it's ready to go. Now in the wok or pan, you are going to put that on a medium high heat. Then you are going to add your vegetable oil in there and make sure the oil Here I have chicken breast. I'm going to cut them into the small piece, and after that you are going to add that into a mixing bowl and sprinkle them with the flour and mix together until everything is fully coated. And you are going to fry your chicken until it's golden brown and crispy. And after you fry them for about 5 minutes, so and it's a golden brown. Now is the chicken is golden brown and crispy, I'm going to take them off. Set the chicken aside on the paper towel to absorb excess oil. And then the Thai dry chili are also quickly to deep fry too. In a pan, I'm going to add some oil with the medium-high heat. And for all ingredients, I will put in description box below. Then add the garlic and stir fry quickly until it smells good. And onion go in and stir fry until they become translucent. Also bell pepper and carrot together, and also I'm going to add the fried chicken along with the fried cashew nut and fried dry chili. I'm adding all this in the end because I don't want the cashew nut and chicken is become soggy with all the sauce. And then stir fry until everything is evenly coated with the sauce. Getting ready for this recipe, so you can see my sauce is pretty tight as far as consistency. Or some people like a little more liquid. You can add some extra water and you can even up the measurement of the sauce up a little bit just to get more sauce. I hope you guys like this recipe, and if you like this recipe, please like, subscribe and follow me on my YouTube. And see you next time. Bye.